As indicated by our yearn.finance cost forecast, the cost of YFI certainly is anticipated to drop by $148 over the by and large next 7 days, coming to $5,333.63 by September 26, 2023. Assuming that you are looking for yearn.finance market figure examination or cost expectation, you likely really need to explicitly know where the cost of yearn.finance YFI may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments, which is genuinely huge. This cost forecast explicitly is pointed toward noting the majority of exceptionally your inquiries. Will yearn.finance YFI recover its all-time high? What will yearn.finance truly be worth 1 month from now, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase yearn.finance, which is very critical. Is yearn.finance right now giving bullish or negative indications? In this yearn.finance cost expectation gauge, we will process different YFI specialized markers to foresee the cost of yearn.finance. Yearn.finance YFI value expectations. Yearn.finance financial backers have encountered returns of more than 5.26% on their speculation this previous week, because of the bullish period YFI has encountered. In the wake of examining the specialized pointers for YFI, we in every practical sense expect, and in every practical sense, slight remedy could really occur over the exceptionally following couple of days. Beneath you can see the yearn.finance hourly, everyday, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations. These expectations mean to fundamentally provide you with a sign of what yearn.finance will truly be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the in every practical sense, 1 week from now and 1 month from now in an unpretentious manner. Yearn.finance YFI verifiable cost and market examination. The by and large current cost of yearn.finance is $5,481.63, and it is presently positioned number 135 out of all digital currencies, or so they thought. How much stock at present available for use for yearn.finance is 33,064, with a genuinely all-out market capitalization of $181,062,766, or so they truly thought. In the kind of beyond 24 hours, the cost of yearn.finance essentially has diminished by 0.89%, or so they generally thought. Yearn.finance truly has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 5.26%, which in every practical sense is very huge. This increment has yearn.finance financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they have made for the current week, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the essentially most recent 30 days, the cost of YFI sort of dropped by 1.94%, decreasing its past worth of $5,590.08 by $108.45, which fundamentally is very critical. This truly current downtrend implies that yearn.finance especially is in plunge at the present time. The cost of yearn.finance generally has dropped by 12.42% in the fundamentally most recent 3 months, wiping out $777.37 from its past worth of $6,259. Our yearn.finance market estimates really are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which investigate different specialized pointers. For example, the essentially relative strength record, RSI, moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, exceptionally normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's, BB, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The crypto market is known to, in every way that really matters, be profoundly unstable. Anticipating future costs of yearn.finance generally is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous really different variables impact the cost, which especially is genuinely critical. Thus, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do your very own examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to pursuing any venture choices. Yearn.finance YFI value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we in every practical sense are expecting that yearn.finance will especially accomplish a by and large most extreme cost of $9,866.94 as the market starts to recuperate. As a matter of fact, the base expected cost is $6,577.96, and the typical cost will drift around $8,222.45, or so they thought. Yearn.finance, YFI, Value Expectation 2024. As yearn.finance proceeds to by and large arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, yearn.finance can accomplish a most extreme cost of $15,348.57, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $13,704.08, which is genuinely critical. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value YFI can reach in 2024 certainly is $12,059.59, which is genuinely critical. Yearn.finance, YFI, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that yearn.finance should see great development, as crypto earns respect across really numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could generally reach as high as $20,830.20, averaging around $19,185.71. Yearn.finance could see a base cost of $17,541.22. Yearn.finance, YFI, Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded development of genuinely capital in the crypto market, yearn.finance could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $26,311.83 in 2026, with a typical cost of $24,667.34 in a sort of large manner. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation in every practical sense sits at $23,022.85. Yearn.finance, YFI, Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of YFI by nations all over the planet, yearn.finance can guarantee a most extreme cost of $31,793.47 by 2027, with a typical cost of $30,148.98 anticipated. Moreover, the very least cost for that very year could in a real sense see $28,504.49. Yearn.finance, YFI, Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, yearn.finance reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to basically acknowledge that crypto is digging in for the long haul. Financial backers could see YFI arriving at a fundamentally greatest cost of $37,275.10 by 2028, followed by a base cost of $33,986.12.